If it's one thing that me and Chuck have learned from this experience, it's how you drive a post with the tool. And I'm gonna show you right now. Ready? Good. Yeah. Perfect. Woo!
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're over here at the Comfort Ranch again. Seems like that's all we do here lately. I got one of my numero uno amigos, C9. Say hello, C9. He's over here. He's giving me and Birdie a hand on putting T-post in the ground. We got our handy dandy T-post driver. Look at that. Would you just look at it? And we're gonna put some in. So yeah, here we go. Ready, Chuck?
Let's do it.
Liam, what did you say? You wanted paint where?
On the tip of my stick.
Oh man, that's funny. I don't care what grade you're in. That's funny right there. Connor has a splinter in his finger. I don't know if the camera's focusing on it, but we're going to try to get it out with the old Gerber multi-tool. Hold that, Chuck. Oh, let's see. Where's it at? There it is. I think it's, yeah, this should.
We might have to cut it off and then remove it.
I got it. There it is right there. Right there. Boom. Ow! Oh no, I'm just kidding. Got it. Gerber pliers come in handy, boy. You got some just like that. Boom. Boom, boom, chicka, boom, boom.
I think we should still cut it off.
Yeah, you're right. Here, hold on.
What?
Let's cut it off. Which one was it? Which one was it? Was it? Let's just cut from the elbow down.
It was this one.
It was this one?
Yeah.
Boom.
You see how that worked? The Medford.
Brad, what kind of knife is that?
That is a Medford
Praetorian?
knife and tool. That's a Praetorian with the titanium scales.
Weighs about 5 pounds.
Weighs about 22 pounds. Just be careful, bud. How's it feel in the hand? Feels pretty good, doesn't it?
No.
Can you shave with it, Connor?
No, don't do it. See what we do here? We pound them out, just like that backstrap, that venison backstrap. I'll put the link in the description, either up here or down yonder. You can go check them out. I'll put a card. That's what I'll do. I'll put a card, and you go check out me banging out that backstrap. Same thing. Same thing we doing right here. We do with that backstrap, boy. So, it's the very last post that we're gonna have to drive with the T-post driver, right? Right? The last two over there are metal. So, this is the grand finale, folks. I hope you're ready.
Good.
Oh, yeah! Well, that concludes this episode of Texas Bearded Adventures. I appreciate y'all sticking along for the ride. Me and old C9 had a great time. Our hands are like jello. Hello, jello. Like old Bill Cosby would say. Drink up, folks. Wabba-dabba-doo. Oh, that's the wrong, that's the Flintstones. Sorry. What does he say? Hey, hey, hey. Get you some jello. Yeah.
That's exactly what he says.
That's exactly what
Or
he
at least
says.
that's the last thing you remember.
That's right. Night, night. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Bearded Adventures. Me and Wife of the Kitties do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies. Yes. No. I want everybody on it. Everybody. Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Yeah.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR? All right, cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going. Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.